Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a payment method from your Pandora Jewelry account. It's super easy, so let's get started. First of all, log into your Pandora account by visiting pandora.net. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, go to the My Wallet option in your account settings. Here you will see all the payment methods you have added to your account. If you have a saved payment method, it will be listed here. Simply click the remove or delete button next to the payment method you want to remove. Since I don't have any payment method saved right now, nothing is showing up for me. And that's it. You can now easily remove any payment method from Pandora Jewelry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.